Welcome to Envision Kenya together with Miller's Bee Farm. Today we are going to Embu County, whereby we have been requested to go and see one of the clients, one of the farmers who has requested us to go and check the hives, give him knowledge on how to modernize the bees. As I said earlier, together with the Miller's Bee Farm, this is Envision, and my name is Daniel. We are going to show you, because today we are on the ground, we are going to show you how to construct a modern apiary on the ground here. As you can see, all this area is a man-made forest. So keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like beekeeping. As you can see, the challenges here are endless, that the clients want to change the way he has been doing the beekeeping. Hii hata unaweza pata nyoka ndani. So one of the hives here, it's our own model rounded, and I can see bees inside. So this area has a lot of bees. Another one there. It is a dangerous place to do harvesting because you might be bitten by a snake. This hive don't have bees. The reason is the construction or the nature of the hive is poorly done. And this mode of beekeeping, it takes a large space whereby hives are being thrown in the forest. So it might be affected by the ants climbing on this tree. That's why people, we encourage you to construct a modern apiary. Even the termites are not left behind. Here is another hive that is in a bad condition. No bees inside. Even these hives, we can see some of the bees. I don't know whether they have gone inside, but I can see I'm standing on the runway. The bees are inside. Guys, as you can see here, this is another abandoned hive. Abandoned means that the bees are not staying inside because of the nature, because of the situation around here. You see? So we've seen a lot of hives in the bush where the bees are not safe, where even you want to harvest it, it's not safe for you. So we'll take you to where the client wants to install the bees, so that we show you how we install the bees. We show you the errors the client has made that made the bees not to come to the hive, and we'll rectify the errors and welcome the bees to the hive. See you guys. Guys, as you can see, we are at the site whereby most of the hives have not been colonized. That's why we want to find a reason why our hives are not colonized. There are some hives that we wash with water because of the inner color. It looks dirty. As you can see at the other side, you can see the analog hive. The fun thing with the analog hive, it allows more intruders inside, as you can see. And we are going to work out and restore the bee to this hive. Keep on subscribing, guys. Keep on watching. As you can see, we have done the frames inside, and we have just put the queen excluder. We want to make this place to be a well hive station, which is apiary for bees to stay. Here guys, we are in Kiambogo, Embu County. We have traveled to come and see our farmer who was requested us to come and give him some ideas and information on beekeeping and how we can manage his bees. This hive has been here for a while without bees. The reason is that the construction of the hive was against the rules of the bees. That's why we are reconstructing the frames, so that the frames can be the way you have seen here. We have done the frames across. Previously the frames were on the longer side, as you can see. Let's open one hive here. As you can see here, the frames previously were on the longer side. Now we are trying to change them to a shorter side, like this, as I showed you previously. This is the simplest apiary that you can construct on your way, on your side, like that, guys. So keep on watching as we finish up the apiary in Embu County. We have finished the setup. We have installed like 1, 2, 3, 4 hives, and we have rectified the mistakes that were done before. Now the bees are ready to come in. If you need the measurements of the same design you see here, this is the same design that we have constructed, you can just contact us on that number down there, so that we can give you the measurements of the structure that you see up here. This is a simple apiary of 8 hives. As you can see, we have put the queen excluder and the frames for all hives that we have rectified today here in Embu County. So guys, keep on subscribing. We will bring you more information about beekeeping. See you in the next tutorial.